Okay, let's make our signature cinnamon apples with no extra anything. So this is the simplest way I think you can really do them. So we start with some apples. I'm going to use 3 of them. I'm just going to show you one. I'm just doing it all the same for every one of them. Just do this 3 times. But just peel the outside of the apple. I'm using these small little Gala apples, and they're sweet. They taste good. That's all well and good. But just get the skin off the outside. I don't really like them in the potatoes. And then we're going to cut straight down through the center, through the core, make it into quarters. That's what it should look like when you're done. And with those quarters, then you can actually just slice pretty much straight down through the core, and you cut that stuff out, and you have really easy to work with apple shapes. So if they're looking the same and you get this nice dice going on, if you cut them the same size, they're going to cook at the same rate. So if they look even, they'll cook even. And so we get those into a dice, and that's what it should look like. Now with our pan, we just put a little bit of water, just enough to cover the bottom to prevent it from burning or sticking or anything. And then we dump in all of our apples. Again, it's 3 small Gala apples. You could probably get away with 2. You could use more if you want. I always put a little bit of vanilla in there. You don't have to, but I like to. A sprinkle of kosher salt. That's always really, really helpful to bring out the apple flavors, and be pretty liberal with the cinnamon. You really want to aim to get a light dusting on the top with a little bit of parts that are heavier than others, and that's okay. And then I always put a little bit of lemon juice in there. And we cook that for about 25-30 minutes. I usually do it while I'm cooking something else. And they will cook down. If you need to add a little bit more water periodically to keep it from sticking, please go ahead and do so. And then you can go ahead and plate this stuff with just about anything. So I'm showing it to you plain, but you can put whatever you'd like with it. I like to eat all kinds of food. It goes with pretty much anything. So the cinnamon apples are always going to be a hit. And if that worked out for you, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. We'd love to see you soon in another video.